Animals possess unique qualities and behaviors that can offer valuable insights and success tips for humans. Here are some success tips inspired by animals. 1. Ants, persistence and teamwork. 2. Cheetah, speed and focus. 3. Eagles, vision and adaptability. 4. Dolphins, playfulness and communication. 5. Bees, organization and efficiency. 6. Elephants, wisdom and memory. 7. Chameleons, adaptability and camouflage. 8. Squirrels, preparedness and resourcefulness. 9. Penguins, resilience and teamwork. 10. Honeybees, dedication